99minutos is the time you take from the starting point of the city to the ending point and traveling in motorcycle. We are a last mile logistics company which have presence in 4 countries of Latin America: Mexico, Peru, Colombia, and Chile. And now we are expanding to cover the whole supply chain. We started with last mile. We are now making supply, heavy cargo, fulfillment, and cross-border. So we start to playing along the chain. As every fast-growing business, it is complicated to manage the things to grow in scales from the beginning. We start like migrating gradually some services, and then after like 2 years, we fully migrate all the operation to MongoDB. And the best thing is that help us in 2 ways, 2 very important ways. The first one, it allows us to have flexibility. We need to expand very fast the systems that we have. And it was very easy to don't have a fixed schema, to just grow up, and that also the database scales as we needed, because when we having a relational database, it was very hard to maintain. But now with just the autoscaler on and having like a wide range of flexibility, it is very easy for us to go through peak seasons or all the applications that we have live in MongoDB. So having these new capabilities of implement vector search like seamlessly have helped us a lot to become very fast implementing these new projects. And it's very, very easy and also very cost efficient, because it's very easy for us just to keep building things, and we know that the database is going to be there for us.